What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It's your boy Shane the Great. And guys, Bitcoin with this Israel, Iran, USA, Middle East, UAE, Kuwait, bro, everyone's involved in this war. Bitcoin during all this, it's actually holding up pretty well, guys. So Bitcoin's currently at $66,700. Right after I made yesterday's video, Bitcoin, so it went like around 68,800. That was when I was recording the video, and then right after I finished the video, it literally touched 70k, and then just now it went to a new low for the day at 66,100. And I bought around here, around 67k, and then I just bought right before making this video at 66,700. But like I said yesterday, I did sell. I bought literally at 65k yesterday morning, and I sold it right here because pretty much the market, it like was down initially, so obviously crypto followed that, and then stocks recovered, so obviously Bitcoin followed that as well, and then yeah, that's why the pump happened. And then, but today, speaking of stocks, it's going down because if you guys, I mean, obviously everyone knows the war is going on. I mean, no matter where where you go, like where you're at, you're gonna hear about it. Especially like I live like in Toronto, and we have a huge Persian population here, at least in certain parts of like the GTA, right? So, but yeah, anyways, stuff's going down in the Middle East. Like I said, Israeli sources confirmed Qatar launched attacks on Iran last night. Crazy. Let me just go to Brick News because they like post a bunch of stuff. President Trump says he's open to supporting armed Iranian militias. Wait, what? Oh, I guess, okay, to create little civil wars within the population. That's crazy. I mean, this is kind of off topic, but like, how do you go from like a week to 2 week like strike or war to like now a full-on like invasion of the country? Like, this is another Iraq-Afghanistan war, man. Trump's gonna lose midterms because of this. I'm calling it right now. Iran says the gates of hell will remain open, whatever that means. Okay, well. Iraq shuts down the world's second largest oil field, Rumalia, following the Strait of Hormuz closure. That is no good. If we go over to the charts again, to oil, that's $77 a barrel. It was $70 just the other day. Just yesterday. Yeah. It's up 10% since yesterday. What the heck, man? Bro. And guys, you guys better go fill up your gas tanks because this is only going to keep on going higher because, I mean, I'm hearing mixed things. Like the US is saying the Strait of Hormuz is good. I think they're really just saying that because they don't want a shock to the energy sector. But then obviously Iran, they're bombing oil tankers. They're closing the Strait of Hormuz. And then I saw something about Saudi Arabia. They're rerouting their oil to the Red Sea. Let me see. Yep. Saudi Arabia will expand oil exports from the Red Sea by sending more oil there through oil east-west pipeline. Riyadh is creating contingency plans for a complete blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Another problem is that the Houthis can block the Bab al-Mandeb Strait again. So I assume that's right here, and then obviously the Houthis, the Houthis, the people from Yemen, you know, the little pirates and stuff, they'll be freaking creating a blockade and just bombing whoever goes here. So pretty much, I mean, yeah, I don't think it's gonna be good for the energy sector anytime soon, because even instead of them, you know, obviously this is Strait of Hormuz, right? If this gets blocked off, they're going to use a pipeline to go all the way here. But then the only way for them to come out there is to go here. Because, yeah, this is small, no? Or am I stupid? I don't know too much about this side of, like, the waters there when it comes to transporting things. But I'm pretty sure you have to go through here to the Arabian Sea. So, yeah, the pipeline will go to around Egypt here, and then it has to go out here to get transported to wherever in the world, right? So, and obviously Somalia is there too, and the pirates there don't mess around. So pretty much, guys, all in all, Bitcoin, it's gonna stay in this current range we're in right now. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much the lowest we've gone, excluding hitting 60K from earlier February, is 62,700, which you guys can see as this yellow support. And pretty much we may like go back down here. Obviously, like when we hit here, that was when they first launched the attacks at like 2 a.m. on Saturday night. So we could go back down there if like the market gets more spooked with this oil crisis, or you know, the oil energy sector, whatever. We'll either stay between 61K and 70K, or we'll break below to the downside and then find a new range or support, or we break up to the upside and then we find a new range and support there. But obviously, with this war going on, the odds are we're probably going to be staying within 60K, 59K, and 70K. So that's a good range to be trading. That's what I'm currently doing. I'm not saying that's what you guys should do, but I'm doing that. Obviously, it's risky because, you know, trading usually statistically doesn't end up doing better than just buying and holding. But I do have plans to buying and holding Bitcoin long term once we do get below very low prices, like I said in yesterday's video, which I do plan to be buying loads around 45K, 50K, maybe even the 30s if I still have cash left by the time that happens. But yeah, right now these are just good ranges to trade in my opinion, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm pretty, I mean, this sounds messed up to say, but I'm excited to be trading this conflict. Obviously, I want this conflict to do end because I don't want people to die. I don't want World War III to happen. I don't want to pay high prices for gas and for just food and stuff in general, because obviously when the price of oil does go up, that affects everything, because what is used to transport you know, the everyday item we all use, gas. And obviously if oil goes up, gas goes up as well, which means that they have to raise the prices for those things in order to cover that loss of margin, right? But yeah, guys, so I want to show us one video. This is kind of like irrelevant, but like, this is a hypersonic missile. Bro, the US doesn't know what they got themselves into. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If y'all did enjoy, be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. Be sure to drop a comment down below. What's your guys' predictions for the market for the days to come? Yeah, oil, it's gonna probably go up to like $100. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It may not be tomorrow, next week, but it'll eventually happen, assuming the Strait of Hormuz and this energy sector doesn't get fixed soon. And then stocks and crypto will probably bleed lower, or just like, you know, bing bong around because of the volatility and uncertainty of this conflict. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, guys, God bless, take care, and peace. Catch y'all next video.